This is not just a motorhome. This is one of the most extreme Toyota-based expedition builds ever imagined. A machine designed to go where normal RVs don't even dare to think about going. We're talking about a heavy-duty, multi-axle expedition motorhome that blends military-grade toughness with a high-end, digital luxury interior. This is the kind of vehicle that makes you stop scrolling, lean forward, and say, yeah, this is something else. That if you clicked on this video expecting a regular camper or a basic off-road RV, you're in the wrong place, and that's a good thing. Because what you're about to see is a rolling fortress built for people who want to explore the most remote parts of the world without giving up comfort, technology, or style. Welcome back to where we break down the wildest, most extreme builds on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into this next-generation Toyota Expedition motorhome, a machine that completely redefines what overland luxury really means. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing commands respect before you even step inside. Built on a heavy-duty Toyota-based Expedition platform, this motorhome features a massive multi-wheel configuration engineered for maximum traction and stability. Every inch of this vehicle is designed to handle extreme terrain: sand, mud, snow, rocks, steep inclines, you name it. This isn't a showpiece. It's a tool built for real exploration. Up front, you're greeted by an aggressive Toyota grille with the iconic badge proudly centered, framed by a reinforced steel bumper designed to take serious punishment. The lighting setup alone tells you this thing means business. High-output LED light bars, auxiliary floodlights, and integrated side lighting ensure full visibility no matter where you're driving, from pitch-black deserts to snow-covered mountain passes. Everything about the exterior screams durability, confidence, and purpose. But where this motorhome really separates itself from everything else is when you step inside. The interior is where rugged engineering meets modern luxury in a way you rarely see done right. The layout follows a clean, open-plan design that allows you to see from the cockpit all the way to the rear sleeping area, giving the space a powerful sense of depth and scale. The color palette is rich and intentional: olive green, matte black, deep charcoal, and warm bronze accents, all tied together with soft amber ambient lighting that runs through the ceiling lines and architectural edges. The main living area features premium leather seating designed for long journeys and real comfort. This isn't flimsy RV furniture. These are properly sculpted seats with deep cushioning and refined stitching. The dining table sits perfectly positioned for both meals and work, with a solid, premium surface that feels more like a luxury yacht than a traditional motorhome. Large windows on both sides flood the interior with natural light during the day, while at night, the warm LED lighting creates a calm, secure, high-end atmosphere. Moving deeper into the interior, the kitchen area is fully integrated and purpose-built. Clean lines, seamless cabinetry, and a dark stone-style countertop give it a modern, professional look. You've got an integrated sink, a flush-mounted cooktop, and smart storage throughout, all designed to maximize space without clutter. This kitchen is made for real cooking, not just reheating snacks. Whether you're parked deep in the wilderness or setting up base camp for weeks, you have everything you need right here. One of the standout features of this motorhome is the elevated sleeping area at the rear. Instead of a cramped bunk or fold-out setup, this build features a raised sleeping platform accessed by a compact, stylish staircase. Each step is illuminated with warm LED lighting, adding both safety and visual impact. The bed itself is large, comfortable, and finished with premium bedding in neutral earth tones that match the rest of the interior. And yes, this motorhome also features a fully equipped bathroom. This isn't an afterthought. It's a proper expedition-ready bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity, all designed to handle off-grid travel while maintaining a premium feel. Durable materials, waterproof finishes, and thoughtful lighting make it practical, comfortable, and easy to maintain no matter where you're parked. Now let's talk about the cockpit, because this is where the entire experience comes together. Sliding into the driver's seat feels less like entering a motorhome and more like stepping into a command center. The cockpit follows a modern Toyota design language, scaled up for a heavy-duty expedition vehicle and executed in a fully digital, button-free layout. The steering wheel is thick, premium, and performance-inspired, wrapped in high-quality leather with the Toyota logo front and center. It feels solid, confident, and built for control. In front of the driver is a wide, fully digital instrument display that shows everything you need at a glance: speed, navigation, terrain data, suspension status, drivetrain information, and system diagnostics. The graphics are crisp, modern, and designed for clarity, even in harsh conditions. At the center of the dashboard sits a large vertical touchscreen that controls navigation, climate, camera systems, and vehicle settings. Everything is touch-based, clean, and intuitive, exactly what you'd expect from a next-generation digital cockpit. The center console is wide and commanding, designed like a control bridge rather than a traditional car console. Wireless charging, hidden storage, and a minimalist electronic drive selector keep the area clean and uncluttered. The seats themselves are custom luxury expedition seats with deep bolstering, diamond stitching, and ventilation designed for comfort during long days behind the wheel. Under the hood, this motorhome packs serious power. A heavy-duty turbocharged diesel engine delivers massive torque, allowing this machine to move confidently through extreme terrain without hesitation. The advanced drivetrain and traction systems distribute power exactly where it's needed, ensuring stability and control even in the toughest conditions. Combined with a reinforced suspension system and exceptional ground clearance, this motorhome can go places most RVs could never reach. This build is made for people who refuse to choose between adventure and comfort. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountain roads, navigating snow-covered trails, or disappearing into the wilderness for weeks at a time, this motorhome gives you the confidence to go further and the luxury to enjoy every moment along the way. Most motorhomes ask you to compromise. You either get rugged capability or interior comfort. This one refuses to make that trade. It's a mobile base camp, a luxury living space, and an unstoppable expedition vehicle all rolled into one. So what do you think? Would you take this beast deep into the wild? Would you live on the road in a machine like this? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AutoZone USA for more extreme builds that push the limits of what's possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.